These are problems 9, 10, 11, and 12 from section 14.1. It is asking us to determine the sign of fx and fy at the given points using this contour diagram, which if we draw it in 3-space, we get a bowl-type shape because the radius of these circles increase as z gets bigger. So first off, let's plot the points, or give an estimate of where they are in the quadrant. So we have our red point P, which we know is going to be in the positive x and y quadrant. So that means P is in this one. Next, we have our yellow point Q in the quadrant next to P. We have our blue point R in the negative x and y quadrant, and our purple point S in this final quadrant. So now we can look at the behaviors of fx and fy. For point P in the positive x and y quadrant, we can see that as x increases in the positive direction, z also increases, so fx for point P is positive, and also as y increases, z also increases, so fy is also positive. Now for point Q, we see that still as x increases, z is increasing, which means fx is positive. However, z is increasing as y is decreasing in this case, so fy is negative. Now when we look at point R, we see that as y decreases, z increases, which means that the f of y is negative, and as x decreases, z increases, so it is also negative. Finally, for point S, we see that as y increases, z increases, so f of y is positive. However, as x is decreasing, z is increasing, so the relationship is negative.